Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with class 10th of topic sets worksheet 2 guys, that is Venn diagrams. Students, I gave this work to you right yesterday in the evening. So I said to attempt these questions. If at all it is wrong or right is up to you guys. So I said to attempt, right. So here I am giving all the solutions of yesterday's worksheet. So please try to concentrate. If you are getting any doubt, you can see in this video, or you can ask in the class case. You can ask in the class students. Okay. So what is your question given? Find out the Venn diagrams below using set A, set B given in each problem. So question 1 given as set A equal to 8, 9, 14, 20, 11. Set B equal to 12, 20, 14, 4 and 2. Okay. So in this, first of all, whenever we are drawing a Venn diagram, we should identify what are the repeated elements in both the sets. Okay. So here the repeated elements are 14 and 20 from both the sets. That one we will write in the middle of the region. And remaining elements, so 14 and 20 is repeated in set A and set B, right? Okay, what are the left out elements in set A? 8, 8, 9 and 11. That one you write in this region. This part is called only A, and if you include this one is called A. Okay, there is a difference between A and only A guys. So similarly, so what are the elements left out other than 14 and 20 in set B? 2, 4, 12. Okay, so coming to second one, given set A equal to 21, 15, 12, 11. Set B equal to 4, 10, 12, 1 and 18. First of all, you need to identify what are the repeated elements from both the sets. So here, so first of all, you need to identify what are the repeated elements guys. So in the set A, what are the repeated elements? In set A and set B, 20 not repeated, 1 is not repeated, 15 is not repeated, 1 is repeated, 15 is not repeated, 12 is repeated. Okay, in set A and set B. So that one we will write the repeated value, we will write in this middle region. And what are the left out other than 1 and 12 in set A? 20 is left out, 15 is left out, 11 is left out. That one we will write in this region. It is called only A. If you include this one, it is called A. Okay. Now, so what about this region guys? So other than 1 and 12, what are the other elements present in set B? So 1 and 12, except 1 and 12. So 4, 10 and 18. That one we will write in this region. Okay. Now coming to third one, what is given? Set A equal to 16, 12, 5, 10, 1. Set B equal to 1, 2, 20, 15 and 10 guys. So first of all, we need to identify what are the repeated elements. Repeated elements same unnai indro chuskuntam. Set A lo set B lo repeated values same unnai. So 1 is repeated, 10 is repeated, 10 is repeated. Okay. So the repeated values we will write in this middle region. So what are the other elements which are not repeated? 16, 12, 5. That one we will write in this region. And 2, 20, 15. That one we will write in this region. Okay. Now coming to fourth one. Coming to fourth one guys. Set A given as 2, 17, 3, 9, 10. B equal to 16, 9, 17, 19, 3. So what are the repeated values in this? 17 is repeated. Okay. 9 is repeated. Yes. And 3 is also repeated. Yes or no? So the repeated values we will write in this middle region. So what are the non-repeated terms? What are the other elements? So 2 and 10 is left out in this set. Yes or no? So that one we will write in this part. So what are the other elements other than 17, 3, 9, 16 and 19 is left out in this. That one we will write in this part. Okay. Now coming to fourth one. So it's fifth one. Set A equal to 14, 8, 5, 11, 9. Set B equal to 14, 4, 17, 8, 0. So what are the repeated values from both the sets? 14 is repeated, 8 also repeated guys. So that one we will write in the middle region, because this is a common region for set A and set B. Okay, this middle region set A కి set B కి కామన్గా ఉన్న రీజన్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో అక్కడ రిపీటెడ్ వాల్యూస్ రాస్తాం. ఓకే, నాన్ రిపీటెడ్ వాల్యూస్ ఈ రీజియన్లో రాస్తాం, సెట్ ఏలో ఉన్నవి. నాన్ రిపీటెడ్ వాల్యూస్ ఈ సెట్లో రాస్తాం, దట్ ఈస్ సెట్ బిలో ఉన్నవి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అదర్ దాన్ 14 and 8 guys? 5, 11, 9, that one we write in this region. Now, so what are other elements in set B? 4, 17 and 0, that one we write in this part. Okay, now coming to sixth one, set A given as 2, 12, 6, 17, 18, B equal to 20, 13, 12, 8, 6 guys. So what are the repeated values in this? 12 is repeated in set A, 12 is repeated in set B, 6 is repeated in set A, 6 also repeated in set B. So that one we will write in this middle portion. Okay, so what are other elements? 2, 17, 18, that one we will write in this part. Okay, this is called only A. This total circle is called A. This is called B. This part is called only B. Okay, so what are the elements? 20, 13 and 8 guys. Okay, I hope you understand these Venn diagrams. Okay, if you are getting any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section or you can ask me in the class. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you.